CRO Practice Test 2026 Conversion Optimization Certification Exam Questions and Test Prep. Question 1. What does CRO stand for? Customer Relationship Operation, Conversion Rate Optimization, Creative Redesign Option, Click Revenue Output. CRO is the systematic process of increasing the percentage of website visitors who take a desired action. Question 2. What is an A/B test? Testing two versions of a web page to see which performs better. Testing the alphabet. A test for students. Checking if a site is online. A/B testing, split testing, compares two versions of a page to identify the one with a higher conversion rate. Question 3. Which of these is a qualitative data source for CRO? Google Analytics, heat maps, user surveys, server logs. Surveys provide insight into why users behave a certain way, which is qualitative. Question 4. What is a call to action CTA? A phone call to a customer, a button or link that prompts a user to take an action, a legal summons, the footer of a page. CTAs like buy now or sign up are critical elements in conversion. Question 5. In CRO, what is statistical significance? The number of users on a site, a measure of how likely it is that a test result is not due to chance. The profit made, the page load speed. Statistical significance ensures that the observed results of a test are reliable. Question 6. What is bounce rate? The speed of a ball, the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page, the number of repeat customers, the rate at which emails are sent. High bounce rates can indicate that a page is not meeting user expectations. Question 7. What is social proof? An ID card, psychological phenomenon where people follow the actions of others, example testimonials, reviews, a social media account, a party invitation. Reviews and bestseller badges provide social proof that encourages conversion. Question 8. What does MVL stand for in testing? Most valuable lead, multivariate testing, minimum viable layout, maximum video length. Multivariate testing, MVT, tests multiple variables on a page simultaneously. Question 9. Which principle suggests that users prefer simple over complex designs? Occam's razor, Hicks' law, Fitz's law, Moore's law. Hicks' law states that the time it takes to make a decision increases with the number and complexity of choices. Question 10. What is a conversion funnel? A kitchen tool, the journey a user takes from landing on a site to completing a goal, a way to pour data, the list of all employees. A funnel visualizes the steps and drop-offs in the user journey. Question 11. What is a heat map? A weather map, a visualization of where users click, move, or scroll on a page, a list of IP addresses, a server room sensor. Heat maps show areas of high and low engagement on a web page. Question 12. Which of these is a typical CRO goal? Increasing newsletter signups, changing the office carpet, buying new keyboards, updating the CEO's LinkedIn. Newsletter signups are a measurable conversion action. Question 13. The above-the-fold area of a website is the bottom of the page, the content visible without scrolling, the hidden menu, the code behind the page. Critical information and CTAs are often placed above the fold for maximum visibility. Question 14. What is a hypothesis in the context of CRO? A proven fact, a testable statement about why a change will improve conversions, a guess about the weather, a customer's name. Every test should start with a hypothesis, example, changing the button color to red will increase clicks because. Question 15. What is lift model? A weightlifting routine. A framework for analyzing conversion barriers and drivers. A type of elevator. A logistics software. The lift model looks at value proposition, relevance, clarity, urgency, anxiety, and distraction. Question 16. Which metric measures the percentage of users who clicked on a specific link? CTR, click-through rate, ROI, CPM, LTV. CTR equals clicks/impressions, *100. Question 17. What is personalization in CRO? Writing a diary. Tailoring the website experience to individual users based on data. Adding one's name to a shirt. Deleting cookies. Personalization aims to make the content more relevant to each specific user. Question 18. An eye tracking study helps to prescribe glasses. See exactly where users look on a screen. Watch the mouse move. Check for color blindness. Eye tracking provides data on visual attention and reading patterns. Question 19. What is the rule of one? Only one employee per desk. Focusing a page on one single goal or offer. Using only one color. Only one page per website. The rule of one minimizes distraction by giving the user a single clear path. Question 20. Why is mobile optimization important for CRO? Because phones are small. Because a large portion of web traffic is now on mobile devices. It isn't important to save battery. Websites must provide a good experience on mobile to convert that significant traffic segment.